My name is Teja. I am studying third class in MPP school, Ledegolpalam of Chirnandam.
Opposites in help me please. Sad,
Happy,
there,
here,
teacher,
student,
after,
before,
found,
lost,
out,
in,
with,
without,
now,
then,
he,
she,
himself,
unself,
himself,
herself,
you,
I,
even,
uneven,
able,
unable,
many,
few,
want,
dislike,
opportunity,
threat,
ill,
healthy,
decide,
hesitate,
suddenly,
predictable,
faint,
revive,
this,
that,
immediately, lately, friend,
enemy,
dear,
cheap,
came,
went,
prepared,
unprepared,
join,
separate,
need.
have.
Good.